At the village of Ein Karem, we believe that John the Baptist was born here then and lived here then. Do you think that he walked around that place? He played. Oh, the fig tree. Oh, fig tree. Oh, yes. All right.
This is the first tree that is mentioned in the Torah, in the Bible, in Sefer Bereshit.
In Genesis.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. It's green. It's the beginning of winter. Think about maybe Elizabeth and Mary walked here, talked about their future. Beautiful, isn't it? So many kind of trees. It looks like Europe, and this is actually Jerusalem. אני כבר הלכתי משם. We're making kind of a run tour around the village of Ein Karem. Whatever you want, my dear. We are following you. Tal. Again, we are following a woman. Just like Elizabeth and Mary.
Hi, John, come.
And John, yeah. John is coming. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at the view. Yeah, because it's only the beginning of the tour. Ask me again about it at the end of it. It's such green, so beautiful. It's like 2 days after the rain, you can smell the ground of the Holy Land. Amazing, isn't it? Now, if you want to see more of my videos, I have more than 18,000 videos of the Holy Land. Subscribe my channel. If you do have questions, don't hesitate, ask me. And if you want me to light a candle for you and to pray for you, I will do that too. Look how beautiful it is! Ein Karem. November 2020.